Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and now we're going to talk about what are the upcoming trades for Bitcoin and Ethereum if you're standing on the sidelines right now, or what you can do with your trades. So let me show you guys. First of all, if you want to trade the upcoming volatility, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. So let me show you. Since the 21st of June, we are trading within this two white lines acting as support and resistance. And as you can see right now, we have a pattern within the pattern. So marked in green here, we have a descending channel, and a descending channel is much more likely to break out to the upside. And as you can see here, we had this in this green zone here. This is a strong support zone. We had many hourly wicks and closes in this zone. So first of all, if you want to play it risky, a little bit more risky, let's say, because we have this white support zone. The white support line, we have the green support line, plus we have the green support zone. If you want to enter a long position, let me show you guys, if you want to enter a long position around this price level, the breakout target would be up here. So let me show you. You have to move this up here. That's almost a 4% trade, and the stop loss you could put below this here, which would give you a risk reward ratio of around 2 to 1, which is not bad. And what could also happen, guys, because we have been attacking, so to say, this resistance line here a couple of times. As you can see here, one time, 2, 3 times. The more often we attack, so to say, resistance on, the more likely it is to be broken. So if you see here, for example, you can enter a long trade here if you play it a little more risky, and then you can scale it up once we break this line here. Or if you want to play it more conservative, let's say, you can wait until we break out of this channel, get a 4-hourly close, and then enter long position, take some profits here, and see what the market does. And once we break this zone here, then this would be really, really bullish. Let me show you what's going on with Ethereum. Similar scenario, we have this white resistance line that has been going on since 21st of June also, and we have this huge strong green support zone here. And as you can see here, we are now trading in this red descending wedge, so to say, and as you can see, or you can also call it a channel or a broadening wedge. Basically it's a broadening wedge, and it's also much more likely to break out to the upside. So if you would enter a long position here, because we have also this green support zone here plus this blue support line, if you would enter a long position here, this would give you a risk to reward ratio of let's put it up here. This would be the breakout target here, guys. The breakout target would be the beginning of the channel. To the upside, it's a 6% move, and if you put the stop loss here, you have a risk reward ratio of 1.7, 1.7 to 1, which is also not bad. But we could basically even go higher, because as you can see here, we have this support, this resistance on a 2005, and then we could even touch this here. And once we break above this, then you can really scale up your trades. So that's what's going on right now with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.